So in our last video, I showed you how to take frames of animation in Maya and render them out using Maya software. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take those frames and composite them together within Premiere Pro so that you can export them out as your own video and use whatever way you want to use them for. So it's a pretty simple and straightforward method, and I've shown how to do this in After Effects through another video. So if you want to use After Effects, you could go and look in that video. So what I have here is just a blank untitled project. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and I'm going to go to File and I'm going to import some of my frames. So I'm going to go over here. So I already have it going right to those frames right now. And if you can't find yours, just kind of go look through wherever you saved your render frames to. So I saved mine to the desktop, animation example, images, temporary. I'm going to make sure the first one is clicked or selected, and I'm going to go to options and make sure image sequence is selected. I'm going to go import, and that imported all my files or all my frames. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to assembly, and here they all are right here. And this is great because we have all our data right there ready to go. The only problem is that by default, Premiere Pro takes that information and it thinks you're trying to render it out at 30 frames per second, but we've already did ours at 24 frames. So we need to fix that. That's why right here in our time slider, it shows that it's 4 seconds when we need it to be 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to modify and then interpret footage. And there's not really much you need to do here. I'm going to go to where it says assume this frame rate, select that. And I'm just going to type in 24 for 24 frames per second and then hit OK. After that, you can see now it's changed to 5. And all I really need to do is drag it down here to our sequence. And let's just keep existing settings. And there is our animation. So if I hit play, it'll play through it. Perfect. Everything looks like it's playing nicely. So the last thing I really need to do is just export this out. So I'm just going to go to File, Export, Media, and I'm just going to leave everything as it is. And I'm just going to hit Export. What it'll do is it'll send it right to my desktop. So if I minimize this now, there it is, all ready to go. And that's all there really is to it. Thank you.